Hello kids, a very big hi to all. Hope you all are fine. You all are taking care of yourself and your family also. Okay, so first of all a very big welcome to you all to the new academic year. Okay, so I think already you have started for other subjects. So from today we will start for your English lessons also. Okay, so some of you may be having the textbook and some of you may not be having. So whatever I am explaining you, I will show you on the video screen. Okay, try to understand. If you are not able to, pause that and once again go through the video. Okay kids, so let's start. So kids, you can see here, this is the first page of your first unit. So your first unit is again having 3 readings. So A reading is Attitude is Altitude. B reading is Every Success Story is also a story of great failures. And C reading is I Will Do It. Okay, so first we will discuss about your reading. A reading, that is your Attitude is Altitude. So before that, you can see here something is written in the edge of this page. What is that? Personality development. Okay, so the theme for your first unit is personality development. So what do you mean by personality development? So your personality development is, along with the physical development, the emotional, mental and social development is also called as your what? Personality development. So in simple words, we can say that along with the physical development, our state of mind in a particular situation, whether we are thinking positively or negatively, shows our personality. So again coming back to our first page. So see here, so now we will discuss about the reading A, that is Attitude is Altitude. So what is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means peak point of something. So normally we say altitude is the peak point of mountain. But here attitude is altitude. That means attitude means, what is the meaning of attitude? Attitude means the way of behaving or the way of thinking is called as your attitude. Okay, so attitude is the peak point in our life. Okay, so here the writer is saying that attitude is the peak point in your life. So we'll discuss about that one. So here you can see this is the first page of your first unit, that is the personality development. Here some pictures are given and something is written above that. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. So 3 pictures are given. The first person is Sudha Chandran, second person Stephen Hawking, third person is Helen Keller. So what is the first question? Do you know these people? What is their speciality? So kids, do you know about these persons? Okay, let me tell you, okay. So the first person is Sudha Chandran. She is Indian actress and she is also a dancer. Okay, Bharatanatyam dancer. So at the age of 20, she lost her leg in an accident. Can you imagine, she was a dancer and she lost her leg? What would be the condition? Can you imagine that? She was very angry on the situation. She was depressed because at the same time she was just starting her career. But again she got a Jaipuri foot, that is a synthetic leg. Okay, she got that. And again she started practicing dance. Okay, so she started walking and then she was able to dance also. Have you seen the movie Mayuri, Telugu movie? So this is all about her and the actress is she only. Okay, so that is all about Sudha Chandran and how she was motivated, because due to her passion for and love for the dance, she was again able to dance and walk. So kids, moving to the next person, that is Stephen Hawking. So he was a famous cosmologist and physicist. So at the early age he was disabled or he was paralyzed due to a neuron disease. But still he was motivated to do his work. Okay, that is the speciality of this person, Stephen Hawking. He has written many books. Okay, now moving to the third person, Helen Keller. She born in 1968. She was completely blind and deaf from since childhood, but still she managed to complete her degree. Okay, at that time you can imagine. and she was a complete successful writer. Okay, so what is the speciality among these three persons? They had some disabilities, but still they were success in their field. That is the speciality of these persons. Now, moving to the next question, what qualities do you think a person requires to become successful? So, after seeing these pictures, you can say that the attitude or the way of thinking is more important than become completely able physically. Yes or no? Okay. Now, moving to the third question. So, what is your opinion about the attitude of society towards individuals with special needs? Okay, what do you think? I think that we should encourage them so that they will also success in their fields. Right now, moving to the oral discourse, you can see discuss or debate token. Disability is not an obstacle for success. After seeing these pictures, will you say that? Is disability a obstacle for success? No, we don't think, right? So you can write on the same topic. You try to write 10 to 15 lines about the same topic, okay? Now moving to the lesson. So see here, your A reading is attitude is altitude. So as I said you, attitude is what your attitude means the way of thinking or the way of behaving. Okay, attitude is altitude means attitude is the peak point in life, not the physical development, not only the physical development, but your mental thinking, okay, is also important. So in this lesson we will discuss about a person named Nick Vujicic. Okay, so he was born with no legs and arms. Can you imagine the life? But with that disability also he was become successful in his life. He is a successful entrepreneur, he is a successful motivator. Okay, you can see in the picture he did not had his arms and he did not have his legs also. Can you imagine the life? He cannot brush, he cannot walk, right? But still he was able to manage. So in this lesson we will discuss about this person. Okay kids, so we will discuss about this lesson, but before that you write the new words. Okay, I'll send you the pics and write the glossary also. Okay, so next we will discuss about this lesson. We will go for the explanation of this lesson in the next video. Okay kids, till that, bye.